Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Siti Zakia Topuspita and I'm from TBI 5A. And today I will present to you about an analysis of English course books. Bahasa Inggris when English rings a bell, based on Alan Cunningsworth and Tomlinson theory. Let's get started. So guys, this is the cover of the books with the title like this. Okay, next is overview analysis. Course book title is Bahasa Inggris when English rings a bell. Grade level middle schools for junior high schools. Also the writer is Siti Wahidah, Asep Gunawan, Diantri, and Yuli Fatimah. Also the publisher is Kementerian Pendidikan dan Kebudayaan Republik Indonesia. And then the purpose of the analysis is to analyze the course book under title Bahasa Inggris when English rings a bell using Alan Cunningsworth criteria. These evaluations will focus on the course book social value, assessment strategies, and language features, assessing its effectiveness in promoting English language learning among middle school students or junior high school. For the teaching English to be successful, there are 4 skills: reading, writing, speaking, and listening should be integrated in an effective way. These skills students address in a way that should help students meet their standards yet. For them and develop their communicative competence gradually, according to Alan Cunningsworth criteria, there are a good English course book chosen based Alan Cunningsworth observation checklist. First is grammar aspect, second is listening skills aspect, also speaking skill aspect, reading skills aspect, also for writing skills aspect. Grammar aspect based on this book is on the chapter What time is it? At the page 37 and 50, introduce times related to vocabulary and grammars. Also for the listening skills is on the chapters This is My World on the page 59 until 70. Also for the speaking skills is on the chapter Good Morning, How Are You? Page 1 until 5. Also the reading skills is on the chapter This is My World. Also, last is writing skills is on the chapter This is Me, page 21 until 30. Okay, next is aims and approach based on the books that we analyze. In Cunningsworth framework, the analysis of aims and approach involves assessing whether the book's objectives are clear and the whether approach aligns with contemporary language learning principle. Bahasa Inggris when English rings a bell is designed with clear educational aims, enable students to communicate English effectively, focusing on the real-life context. The book adopts a communicative approach, emphasizing interactions, student participations, and practical language use. This content is organized to progressively build communication skills, which is consistent with modern language teaching methodologies. This approach helps develop both linguistic knowledge, grammar and vocabulary, and functional communication skills. Greetings, introducing oneself and expressing preference. We have a look on the chapter 1 here. As the topic is Good Morning, How Are You? This chapter focuses on the basic greetings and expressions. It aligns the communications approach, claiming to develop student skills through interactive activities like listening, responding, and the teacher in the role playing. Next is design and organizations. Cunningsworth stresses that the design and organizations of a course books should facilitate effective learning through a logical sequence and well-structured content. The design of Bahasa Inggris when English rings a bell follow a clear and practical structure. Each chapter addresses a specific theme, example, greetings, telling time, talking about the hobbies, and provide focused practice on key language points related to the theme. These organizations on the books support a step-by-step learning process. Let's have a look at chapter 2. The title of the chapter is This Is Me. That means this content is structured with clear learning objectives as a sharing personal information, discussing family, and inquiring about others. This design supports gradual skills development, starting with the simple self-education to more complex personal details. Next, to the point 3 is language contents. In Konigswurth's model, language content should be authentic, relevant, and appropriate to the learner level. So, this book's Bahasa Inggris when English rings a bell is aligned with the learner's proficiency level and real-world usage. These books cover essential vocabulary and grammar in the context of everyday situations, ensuring that students can immediately apply what they learn to their daily lives. For example, topics such as greetings, talking about the time, family, hobbies, both are appropriate and practical. Let's have a look on the chapter 3 under title What Time Is It? This content is both authentic, real-world applications like meal times and school routines and relevant. Next to the point 4 is skills. Konigswurth suggests that a good course book should develop all 4 language skills: listening, speaking, writing, and reading. Bahasa Inggris when English rings a bell primarily emphasize speaking and listening skills, which are central to the communicated approach. Students engage in various activities such as dialogues, role-playing, and group discussions that encourage them to practice speaking in the context. These books also include listening activities that help students improve their comprehension skills. Let's have a look at the chapter 4, the undertitle, This Is My World. And that means the balance of skill encourages active participations in both speaking and writing. Next to the chapter 5 is about the topic. According to Konigswurth, the topic should be relevant, engaging, and cultural appropriate for the learners. The topic covered is in Bahasa Inggris when English rings a bell are highly relatable and engaging for students, especially those in grade 7. Topics such as self-introductions, family, hobbies, and daily routines are familiar to the students and encourage them to talk about their own experiences. Let's have a look on the chapter 5 and the title It's a Beautiful Day on the slides. The topics are designed to reflect students' everyday lives and interests such as weather, family, and school activities. These are familiar and engaging for the middle schools of students. Next is methodology. In Konigswurth framework, methodology refers to the approach course books takes to facilitate language learning. Bahasa Inggris when English rings a bell, a communicative methodology which is central to the book's design. The book encourages active learning, which is emphasized on student interactions. Activities such as role-playing, work together, discussions in a group allow students to practice using English in realistic context. The book also integrates tasks that language and a supportive environment. This methodology helps students develop both their communications competence, ability to use language in the context, and linguistic emphasize knowledge of grammar and vocabulary. Let's have a look at chapter 6, under title We Love What We Do. On this chapter, the methodology encourages interactions such as role plays, pair work, which are central Connexone's communications approach. Next is conclusions. Analyzing when English rings a bell using Alan Cunningsworth's criteria highlights that the book is well suited for grade 7 students, providing clear aims and communicative approach to language learning. It is well organized, with relevant language content and engaging topics that align with the learner's needs. The book develops all full language skills: reading, writing, listening, and speaking, though with a primary focus on speaking and listening. And this methodology supports interactive and practical language use. The book provides a solid foundations for language learners, helping them to develop the skills they need to communicate confidently in English.